Good morning, all the students of fifth standard. It's so long or very long that I haven't made any videos in the recent few days. Only I said uh, homeworks. Along with that, I gave some work for writing. So today, one more time that I got the chance to make video of our class, fifth standards. See, we have completed the third lesson of our history, that is life on earth. This lesson we have completed, and along with these lessons I have given question answers on the board of the same lesson. Whatever our lesson is there, of the same lessons, question answers I have given on a board. I gave the question answers here on the board, and you have mentioned them in your notebook. Now here, today, along with the lessons, on the page number 14, do you know is here. Deliberately I kept this point to take afterward. So do you know this one box information is there, that informations we are trying to understand or to learn in this today's video. So history's EVS or second also we can call to this life on earth, lesson number 3rd, page number 14. In the box, do you know this? Some scientists feel that there is a possibility of life on Mars. Some of the scientists, one who study the science is called as a scientist, that one who means one who make research, that researchers is called as a scientist. One who make a research about universe, they are also scientists there. So scientist, one who go there, astronaut, astronomer also we can call them. So one who studying about this universe, that about the planets, among that some scientists they feel that there is a possibility of life on the Mars, how we are living on the earth. Among all the planets in our solar system, earth is only one planet where the living things can exist or can survive. The atmosphere, climate, conditions is suitable for living things on the earth. So they study that the maybe little bit same situation is maybe nearby, the situation is nearby favorable on the Mars. So they feel that possibility is there, not sure, not fixed that, but scientists they are thinking maybe the possibility is there to be life on Mars. Mars conditions, atmosphere on the Mars planet is also maybe suitable for the living things. Like in see, scientists they believe or they think, but 100% they are also not sure. However, no evidence regarding this has been found so far. Up to now, there was no any kind of evidence got, or scientists did not get any kind of evidence regarding this same concern, that there is possibility of living things on the Mars. Living things can survive on the Mars. Such type of any evidence we did not get, and we do not get. Up to now we do not get any kind of evidence or the proof which can be tell or which can explain, by that we can be sure life is exist on Mars, like in this figure. No evidence we got. On the basis of evidence we can be firm, we can sure that there is possibility of life on the Mars, but up to now we do not get any kind of evidence or proof. That evidence or proof can be explained, by that we can be sure, we will be sure that there is a life on the Mars. Like our Earth, how is atmosphere our Earth? Like our Earth, Mars too has a volcanoes. On the Mars also there are volcanoes are there. Volcanoes. We have seen some of the places of on our Earth. Volcanoes are there. Volcano eruption is there. Lava, it will be erupt from the Earth, from the ground, Earth crust. It's erupt. It is too much hot, that volcano or the lava, that in that if you keep iron things also, it will become liquid, it will burn by the heat, it will burn out, it will become liquid. So volcano eruption temperature is so high. So like how the volcanoes are there on the Earth, in the same proportion, in the same manner, there are volcanoes are there on the Mars. On the Mars too volcanoes are there. How the volcanoes are there on our Earth, in our solar system, on our planet, like same type of volcanoes we can see. Our volcanoes are there in Mars. So Mars too has a volcanoes. On this movie is also there, Mission Mangalyaan, on the Mars only there, of Akshay Kumar's movie there, Mission Mangalyaan. So volcanoes are there on the Mars. Along with the volcano, valleys and deserts are there. Valleys also there on the Mars. Valleys and desert area is also there. What kind of valleys are there on our Earth? Desertification area is there. Deserted area is there on the Earth. Like same way, same type of situation is there. Their valleys are also there, and the desert area is also there on Mars. Valley and the desert area is there. Scientists, they have seen, they got some of the evidence or the proof. It shows that there is a volcano eruption is there, or volcanoes are there on the Mars. Along with the volcanoes, valley area is there, valleys are there, and the desert area is also there. This evidence, scientists, they have got it. It also has a polar regions covered with ice sheets. Mars too has a polar region. The polar region which is covered with the ice sheet. Polar regions means we can say that the temperature is a -0°C, where all the liquid things, it will become solid within a few seconds. Temperature is a -0°C. Everywhere ice, snow is there. Too much cold temperature is there. So on the Mars, in some of the regions, we have seen that scientists, they have got the evidence of the proof that there is polar region is there on the Mars. What kind of polar region is there on the Earth? South Pole, North Pole, like same way, same type of polar regions, or maybe more advanced, more cold than Earth. Polar region is there. Temperature is -0°C. Always that too much cold there. So there for 1 minute also we cannot live in that cold temperature. That much cold temperature is there. So it is called as a polar regions. So they got the evidence that it has a polar regions which covered with the ice sheets. Throughout the years, every now and then, that area is covered with the ice sheet. It's covered with the ice or the snow there. Totally it is covered. There is no grass, no trees, green grass or the liquid quantity we have seen there. Total everywhere snow is there, ice is there. All area is covered with the snow. This they have seen there. So most of polar region area which is covered with the ice sheet is there in that regions. 95% of its atmospheres contains carbon dioxide. In air, if you see the air, in that air, 95% carbon dioxide is there in the air. In our air also there, proportion of the air, if we have seen that here also carbon dioxide is more than 90% in air. So nearby same type of situation, atmosphere is there. Nearby 90% carbon dioxide is available in air, in the atmosphere of Mars. It is also that important sign. It is helpful. 95% carbon dioxide is available in the air. So this we have heard up to here. When we will come tomorrow, then tomorrow we will come with the rest of the part. You have just read out this and also you listen this properly. Thank you very much.